Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is two different color of ladies night flare. Okay, first for CMYK color and here is RGB color, but these files are protected. Password in this app, iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is Sheri SK Facebook page and last is Sheri SK channel on Telegram. I will provide every notification of first here. Okay, so open this one. I know you can do how to edit or how to adjust your image or anything. Adjustment, here is slide, here is top, and here is main text, sexy DJ. Okay, and here is bottom, date, effects, and our image area is here. Extract this one and open your image. Click here on background, select any color. Now RGB. Here is a background. And images adjustment, open, click. Now we need image. For example, I open this one and now enter Control S, sorry, Control Shift E, Control S. Now our flare is ready. Here is a color. I think this color is okay, depend your own choice. Okay, and here is a text, so you can edit everything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love.